Getting involved in cryptocurrencies can be very intimidating and even complex for some. Back when I first got into crypto in 2017, it was a little overwhelming, to be honest, whether it was keeping track of wallets, exchanges, private keys, the list goes on. There are many things I wish I did differently when first getting into crypto, but I simply didn't have the knowledge or understanding to execute on certain situations that would have made investing in crypto so much easier and more enjoyable. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to buy and invest in cryptocurrencies while also giving you some tips and tricks that I've learned over the years to make your crypto investing journey a breeze. Now, this may sound boring to some, but I personally believe this is the most crucial step to investing in cryptocurrencies, and that is educating yourself.
Well, Ryan, that's why I'm watching this video, you idiot.
Yes, that is true, and congratulations, this is your first step to financial freedom. But what I mean by educating yourself is by fully understanding what you are putting your money into and how it all works. I know so many people out there that jumped into crypto and threw their money at anything and everything, not even knowing what the utilities of the crypto was or what the company even did. Heck, I was one of those people at one point, and I paid the price for it, whether it was my time or my money. Now, don't get me wrong, there is the chance you make a profit by throwing your money at anything that moves, but we are smart and focus not so much on what cryptos happen to be pumping and chasing the gains, but prioritizing fundamentals over technicals, which simply means investing in cryptos that have a great business model, stellar team, extensive and continuous development, and prominent partnerships. Those are the cryptos that will be here 10 to 20 years from now and will be the ones that give you the financial freedom you deserve and aspire for. Although I'm not going to be sharing specific cryptos that you should buy in this video, feel free to subscribe and browse the channel for dozens of videos discussing cryptocurrencies I own or see a bright future for. Now, once you do the boring part and you have a clear understanding of what cryptocurrencies are, how they function, and which ones have your interest to the point where you want to invest your money into them, this is when the fun part can begin. Setting up a cryptocurrency on-ramp / exchange account. Now, there are dozens, if not hundreds of platforms out there where you can buy and sell crypto, and picking the right one solely depends on your needs and desires. But you also want to choose a platform that has a solid reputation, low fees, and overall one that you are comfortable with putting your personal information into. I've had the joy of using many exchanges and on-ramps, and they all have their pros and cons. So to save you some time, I'm going to share with you a few platforms I recommend using, although feel free to branch out and check out other platforms. My current go-to cryptocurrency platform for buying, selling, storing, and earning is crypto.com. If you're subscribed to the channel, you already know my love and support for this exchange. Whether it's no fees, top tier security, having the largest crypto insurance fund in the world, or their astonishing Visa card, the features don't compare to any other exchange out there. If you'd like to join over 4,000 others in receiving a $50 sign-up bonus, feel free to use code CryptoFiend with no space. Another platform I recommend if you want something more simple and to the point is Cash App, although you can only buy, sell, send, and receive Bitcoin on their app. This is a great and easy gateway to accessing other exchanges that don't have on-ramps though. Simply buy and send your Bitcoin to your destination where you can then buy other cryptocurrencies, although this method may be a little more complex. A few other popular platforms to check out and do depend on your country include Binance.com or Binance.us if you're a US citizen, Coinbase.com, Gemini.com, OKX.com, and Huobi.com. And remember, before signing up to just any of these, check out each one to see which one best suits your investing needs, whether it's specific cryptos they support, their features, their fees, community reviews, etc. Doing this will drastically simplify the process for you, as having to sign up for multiple exchanges can make everything unnecessarily complex. Also, keep in mind, it is normal for crypto exchanges to ask for your personal information, such as passports, IDs, social security numbers, and even your address. This is simply for government regulation, as the process of trading and selling cryptocurrencies are considered taxable events. Each country has their own laws and regulations around this, so check your country specifically by simply Googling it. Now, I completely understand that crypto taxes may scare some people away, but it doesn't have to be scary. A pro tip is to keep on top of your transactions. You can go the old school route and use pen and paper, an Excel sheet, or the method I recommend is signing up for a crypto tax website that takes the information directly from your exchange accounts and calculates your taxes for you. I recommend cointracking.info as they have the most exchanges supported and a phenomenal user interface. Feel free to use my referral link down below for a 10% discount on any of their plans. Now, once you sign up for your exchange of choice, in this case mine is crypto.com, be sure to connect your method of payment, whether it's a wire transfer, debit/credit card, or even direct bank transfer. You can then simply buy select cryptocurrencies within their user interface. Once you check the boxes and confirm your purchase, congratulations, you officially own cryptocurrency. Now, for some, this will be the final step. You can leave your crypto on the platform and wait patiently for it to appreciate in value. On some platforms, you can even lock it up in interest programs and get a guaranteed APR on your crypto on top of it increasing in value over time. Or another option I recommend everyone does at some point is to withdraw your crypto from the exchange and store it on a hardware cryptocurrency wallet. Now, there are some pros and cons to doing this, especially for beginners. Some pros include having the highest level of security for your crypto by storing it offline and also having guaranteed access to it at all times. As some like to say, not your keys, not your crypto. But some cons include lack of insurance, being given 100% responsibility for the safety of your crypto, personal safekeeping of your hardware wallet, and the private key, which is the backup method to accessing your funds. Again, storing crypto on a hardware wallet is the smart thing to do for most, but if you are a complete beginner to crypto, it is understandable as to why you may not want to use this storage method right away, as it can be very tedious and intimidating. Plus, on the bright side, banks are officially allowed to store crypto for customers here in the US. So over the next couple of years, as adoption really begins to flourish, it may just become the norm for storing your crypto with Bank of America or Chase, where it could be FDIC insured. But until then, these are the two golden methods of storing your precious crypto: either an exchange with top-notch security, government compliance, and insurance, or a hardware cryptocurrency wallet hidden in your sock drawer. The choice is yours. I personally use both methods of storage, and my go-to hardware wallet is the Ledger Nano X for ease of use, coin support, and security. Use the referral link down below if you wish to order your very own Ledger Nano X. So after you've done all your research on the cryptos you want to invest in, sign up for an exchange, purchase your crypto, and decide how you want to store it, you are pretty much finished. See, it wasn't that complex after all. Now, a few more pro tips before I send you off into the crazy world of crypto. I highly recommend having the mindset of investing and not trading. The difference is that with investing, it means you are buying to hold for a long period of time. This is the best method for minimizing your taxes, as for most countries, you don't pay tax when you simply buy and hold a cryptocurrency. But not just that, it is a proven fact that 99% of the time, the investors always come out at the end of the tunnel making more money than the traders who are always trying to time the market and make a quick buck. Now, don't get me wrong, for some, it's a lifestyle and trade for a living. But for most, that method is not the right one. Just be patient and remember that crypto is still in the early stages. Heck, Apple is worth nearly 5 times more than every cryptocurrency combined. Lastly, although you did your research on the crypto you invested in, it is important to stay up to date on what's going on with the company, whether it's new partnerships, major development updates, etc. I recommend following the cryptocurrency company on Twitter, as it seems to be the first place the majority of the projects will post news first. Although I can't guarantee that you will get filthy rich investing in cryptocurrencies, the simple fact that you decided to take the leap and embrace the new world of finance goes to show that you're ambitious and are ahead of 99% of the world. And if you follow the steps in this video, the likelihood of you coming out with less money in the next couple of years than when you came in is close to none. If you made it this far, congratulations. You get to hear the news about this week's hardware cryptocurrency wallet giveaway. We have 4 wallets here that we are giving away to lucky subscribers. All you have to do to enter in is simply be subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down below on this video, and I will be picking a winner in the next video. Thank you as always for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next.